Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ECHOMUSSY Wireless Microphone, Rechargeable Wireless Dual Microphones with 1-to-1 chip connection and LED lights. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features include 2025 upgraded connection technology. Wireless microphone upgraded one-on-one connection technology, let 2 smart chips with high-speed processing capability. Letting each chip deal with one microphone, which makes the signal receiving more stable and faster. No more worry about latency and pairing failure. Focus on your voice. This professional wireless microphones is designed with a cardioid pickup pattern and DSP noise reduction technology, which can minimize background noise and pick up human voices clearly. Focusing on the target sound source, providing warm, clear, and crisp sound that captivates your audience. True wireless. Wireless microphone system updates frequency, which makes the connection range up to 200 feet or 60 meter. It makes of high frequency technology that wireless microphone has more stable signal. Tamper-proof, zero delay. It's very suitable for family karaoke, churches, weddings, conferences, and small stage performances. Fascinating LED light show. Wireless karaoke microphone built-in LED light show ensures you'll always be the center of attention. Wireless karaoke microphone creates a vibrant atmosphere with LED light effects. Gather your guests and unleash your charm with this captivating visual experience. Plug and play. Karaoke microphone with new automatic pairing system. It's easy as just plug and play, no required pairing. The wireless microphone has superior compatibility and is compatible with mic input speaker, singing machine, audio amplifier, PA system, mixer, voice amplifier and more streaming multimedia equipment. Please note, incompatible with laptop, iPad, or phone. Singing all day. Karaoke microphones comes with 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, it could work for 50 hours. Let you sing and talk happily all day long. Wireless microphones and receiver all adopt USB-C charging port that only need 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. No need to buy battery again and again. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.